There's a moment in your life when you realize you've been waiting for permission to do things you already know you need. And one day, you stop waiting. You just book the ticket. No plan, no safety net, no perfect timing. Just a feeling in your gut that the road is calling, and if you don't go now, you'll regret it later. That's how Dust to Dust happened. I didn't know who I'd meet, what I'd shoot, or how it would play out. I only knew I needed a break from reality and from business. A reset, a jolt, something real. Adventure isn't meant to be over-planned, it's meant to be lived. I posted online about going, and some guy from Ontario messaged me asking to tag along. His name was Wes. I only actually met him at a car show once. But I could feel the vibe was right from seeing his content, chatting with him in WhatsApp, and just knowing that he was down to send it.
How Canadian are you when you're drinking fucking pure maple syrup from a little jar?
A couple of shots, you know?
That's my home.
I reached out to Outdoorsy on a whim, and somehow the universe lined it up. A truck camper and a side-by-side covered. The exact setup I've always wanted to test for the future, for the life I'm trying to build. Those little yeses, they add up.
Dude, who are you and what do you ride?
Michael Nally. I ride everything that has two wheels.
Fuck yeah.
And I'm just here to have fun.
Hell yeah! Let's fucking go. Hell yeah, man. Look at this place we're in right now. It is wild.
Dust to Dust is one of those events you can't really explain to someone who hasn't felt it. It's not a festival, it's not really a meetup, it's more of a tribe. Same people in the desert all weekend long. Dirt bikes carving through the sand, side-by-sides flying down canyon trails. No ego, no fake hype, just people who live for the thrill and respect anyone else chasing it.
Hey chef, what you got there, man? What do you got there?
A little bit of chicken. I wish I had a T-bone, but I don't.
I can give you some of mine.
I'm making my best over here.
Right
Look
on,
at that,
man.
just it fell off.
Look at you go, man.
Fell off. I'm a victim.
Holy. Fucking right, brother.
I met so many rad people out there. Strangers who turned into friends within minutes. Guys who tossed me their keys to their bikes without hesitation. Take it for a rip and give it a full send. That's a level of trust you don't forget. That's the kind of community that reminds you there's still good in the world.
What'd you give him, man?
Oh, a little maple syrup. A little homemade maple syrup.
Straight from the teeth of the
Straight
great
from
white
God's
north.
nectar.
At night, the desert gets calm and cold. You sit there with people you barely knew 48 hours ago. And somehow it feels like you've known them for years. No distractions, no deadlines, no service, no reception. Just conversations that matter and silence that isn't awkward. The kind of silence that tells you you're exactly where you need to be. This trip was a gamble, a risk. But every good story starts with one of those. But somehow, everything worked out better than I could have planned. And it reminded me why I chase this stuff, why I book the ticket, and why I say yes before I'm even ready. This was one of the best experiences of my life, and I'd do it again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Peace and love. are you and what do you do here?
Reading from top to bottom. My name is Joshua Kelly Winders. People call me JK. We're out here in beautiful Swing Arm City. And we're about to make some beautiful, sweet, lovely, dusty, nasty desert magic. So come join us. Dust to dust.